Hey, we're here today at 3120 Rawcliffe Road in the gated community of Mission Park. This is a four bedroom, three bath home. A nice quiet community. As soon as you walk into the house, just to your right hand side, you have the first two guest bedrooms with closets. And your guest bathroom. You have a linen closet in the hall. Your bedroom number 2. See, we have a split bedroom and an open floor plan. The flooring in the main room has just been installed, so it is absolutely brand new. They just finished it yesterday. This area right over here will be your dining area. You also have eating space at the breakfast bar here. Comes with all appliances. A pantry. Comes with washer and dryer. Also, you can see you have plenty of storage in the kitchen. Washer and dryer that opens up into a 2-car garage. This house also has 2 master bedrooms off each side of the pool. So if we go to the right first, you'll see you have a nice view of the pool outside. And your master bathroom. Now this one comes with a walk-in shower, walk-in closet, and a nice big vanity area. Lawn care and pool care is included with your rent, so you don't have to worry about anything. And this master suite comes with a deep soaking tub. You can also take showers in here. This one also comes with dual vanities and a larger closet. We'll have a look at the pool area. Now, this yard is not fenced in. However, the neighbors on the side do have fenced in yards, so it gives you a little extra privacy. As I mentioned, the pool care is included, so you don't have to worry about that. They come out once a week to clean the pool. And the nice thing about this pool deck, apart from being nice and spacious, it also has the covered area, so you can get out of the heat, out of the rain. If you have any further questions about this property or you would like to submit an application, please let us know. Thank you.